Hi guys, it's Pranjali and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's video is going to be on the makeup look that I'm wearing right now, and please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And without wasting any time, let's get started. So as you can see, I have nothing on my face right now. So starting off with the skincare, and for that I'll be using this Good Vibes face serum with vitamin C and B3. Next, I'm going to use this MAMAEARTH face cream with vitamin C and SPF 20. Next, for the concealer, I'm going to use the LA Pro Concealer in the shade Medium Beige and blend it out using a mini beauty blender by Pack Cosmetics. For foundation, I'll be using Lakme 925 Primer Plus Matte Foundation in the shade Warm Beige and blend it out using a Wet n Wild flat top brush. Next, after everything is blended, I'm going to set my concealer in place using the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Powder in the shade 25 Medium. For eyebrows, I'll be using this brow definer by Sugar Cosmetics in the shade 04. For the eyes today, I'll be using the NYKA Daydreaming Eyeshadow Palette and taking this soft brown shade and simply apply this shade on my crease and even above that. To deepen up the crease, I'll take this beautiful hot pink color and apply it exactly on my crease to add some depth. Next, I'll go with this beautiful shimmy shade and I'm going to apply this all over my lid using my fingers. I'm just gonna shade my lower lash line with the same hot pink shade. I'll be using this shade to highlight my inner corners. Now I'm taking the Lakme Insta liner and apply it really close to my lash line. For mascara today, I'll be using this Wet n Wild Mega Length Mascara. For blush, I'll be using the Maybelline Fit Me blush in the shade Rose 30. For the highlighter, I'm going to use this Wet n Wild Mega Glow Highlighting Powder in the shade Precious Petals. For lipstick, I'll be using this NYKA Cosmetics Liquid Lipsticks in the shade Rukmini. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching it. I really hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, then do not forget to give this video a big thumbs up, comment what other videos you want me to do, and I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye!